A thin Scoby is something that has happened to my kombucha preparation many times over the years. It can be due to many reasons, but I have found a way to resolve this problem. First of all, it's important to make sure that your kombucha is fermenting 10 to 14 days minimum. Fermentation should take place in a warm and slightly ventilated place. Kitchen cupboards work quite well. Avoid using perfumes or chemical products nearby. Cover the preparation with a cloth that lets air flow through, and do not move the jar during the fermentation. Even so, especially in the winter, sometimes the Scoby just doesn't grow thick. If everything should be in order, you can do the following. When you are bottling your batch, save a cupful and pour it into a little jar. Close the jar with its lid and let it in the cupboard for a few weeks or months. Check every now and then how a new Scoby is forming, and when it is ready, use it to prepare your next batch of kombucha.